Welcome to Cottage Cabins. In this video, we're following one of our lodges through its full journey, from design to final assembly. It begins with our engineers designing the lodge to meet strict Australian building standards. Every beam, load point, and detail is carefully calculated. With plans ready, the design is handed to our experienced project manager to bring the vision to life. We select high-grade steel to form the structural frame. Each section is precisely cut to size. Welding begins and the frame starts to take shape. Every connection is inspected by engineers before we move forward. We then begin cutting the composite panels for the walls. Our timber SPC flooring, known for its wood look, strength and durability, is cut to fit perfectly. Next, we install SAA-compliant wiring into the ceiling, and the ceiling frame is closed and sealed. And now, the shell is complete. You'll see the insulated walls and floors coming together, and the lodge begins to show its future charm. Now it's time for Stage 3 quality assurance, where we check every detail, including thermal cladding, doors, windows, and flashings. Inside, we inspect the internal wall panels and floors. Internal doors and latches are tested, and the bathroom undergoes its own comprehensive QA. We assess the bathroom to ensure both function and style. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the lodge. Light grey thermal cladding and double Hamptons doors provide a grand welcome. Oversized sash windows and French doors fill the space with light. Stainless steel downlights cast a warm glow across rich timber SPC floors, while the double glazed windows help maintain the perfect temperature inside. One bedroom features a classic barn-style sliding door. The bathroom is fitted with a glass-panelled French door. Inside, you'll find ceramic tiles, a porcelain toilet, and a Hamptons-style vanity, ready to be custom painted in Australia by our interior design team. With over 120 colour and pattern combinations to choose from, your bathroom can be truly one of a kind. We can't wait to work with you and see what kind of cottage you'll create. Contact us today. Your dream cottage is just a call away.